Al Nassr versus Al Raed. Highlight: Saudi Pro League. NAS 1-3. RAA. Ronaldo misses big chances in Nassr upset. Al Nassr loses to Underdog Al Raed by 2 goals as Ronaldo fires blanks in the Saudi Pro League. 2-0. Ronaldo's free kick hits the crossbar, and Al Raed extends its lead with a deflected shot. Ronaldo misses multiple chances, including a header and a free kick over the crossbar. Al Raed secures a 3-1 victory over Al Nassr in the Saudi Pro League. The hosts created more chances but failed to capitalize, while the visitors made the most of their opportunities. Watch the match on Sony Live app or watch it on the Sony Sports Network. Al Nassr, second in the league standings, aims for a win after a disappointing draw in the last game.